Today we discuss about two geometric application. First one, in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and P is any point on BC. If CQ parallel to BD meets AB at Q, then prove that triangle BPQ equals to half of triangle ABC. That is, the area of BPQ equals to the half of area ABC. We draw the diagram here. ABC is the given triangle and D is the midpoint of AB and P is any point on BC, and CQ is parallel to PD, which meets AB at the point Q. Okay, now we join CD, that is CD is the median of the triangle ABC, and also join the line PQ. Since D is the midpoint of AB, that is CD is the median, and we know that the median divides the triangle in two parts, equal to parts, that is CBD. Area of the triangle CBD is equals to area of the triangle CAD, and both the triangles are equals to the half of area ABC. We denote as 1. Again, DP is parallel to CQ. DP is parallel to CQ. It is given. Hence, area of DPQ is equals to DPC. We know the triangle having same base and lying in the same parallel, they have the same area. Again, we add both sides the area of DPB. Hence, DPQ plus DPB equals to BPQ, area of the triangle BPQ, and DPC plus DPB is equals to CBD. Hence, area of BPQ equals to CBD. We know that CBD equals to half of ABC, and using 1 we can write area of BPQ equals to half of area of ABC. Hence, prove our problem. Our second problem is ABCD is a parallelogram is in which P is the midpoint of DC and Q is a point on AC such that CQ equals to 1/4 AC. Produced PQ meets BC at R. Prove that R is the midpoint of BC. We draw the diagram. ABCD is the given parallelogram and P is the midpoint of DC. Q is a point such that CQ equals to 1/4 AC, and produced PQ which meet BC at the point R. We have to prove R is the midpoint of BC. Let us join the diagonal DB. Let O is the midpoint of the diagonals AC and BD. And we know the O is also the midpoint of AC, that is OA equals to OC. Since CQ equals to 1 by 4 AC, which is given, and AC equals to 2 OC, that is 1 by 4 into 2 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 OC. That means Q is the midpoint of OC. Hence, from triangle CDO, P and Q are the midpoint of CD and CO. And CD and CO respectively. Then PQ is parallel to DO. There is a theorem that any two sides, midpoint of any two sides, the line segment joining midpoint two sides which is parallel to the third sides, that is P and Q are the midpoint of CD and CO, so PQ is the parallel to DO. Hence PR is parallel to BD or DB. Now from triangle COB, Q is the midpoint of CO and QR is parallel to OB. Hence R is the midpoint of BC. The reverse theorem of that. And hence the proof our problem. We see the problem again at a glance.